Today, I'm checking out Gyeon's Q2 tire, which is advertised as the first SiO₂-based tire protectant on the market. Pretty bold claim, so I'm excited to see how it performs. From the warning label, I can tell this is a solvent-based product. It contains petroleum distillates. It's made in South Korea and claims to offer UV protection, a factory fresh finish, and even some self-cleaning properties, which I'm really curious about. According to the instructions, you're supposed to apply it with a tire applicator. It also says to heat the surface with a heat gun to increase durability. Before we start, I weighed the bottle. It's coming in at 1.12 pounds, just so we can track how much product we use. I like the concept of the pump dispenser, but so far it hasn't worked great for me. This is my first time using this product, and the gel is more watery than I expected. It pumps out fine, but it just soaks right into the applicator, leaving the product concentrated in one small area. So, I decided to start off using a patting motion instead of wiping. As you can see, it's definitely more time-consuming to apply compared to water-based formulas. The trick seems to be to slowly press the pump while moving the bottle around. You can see now I'm able to spread the Gyeon tire more evenly across the applicator. From here, I'm just going to continue working it into the tire, making sure to get into all the grooves, ribs, and raised lettering. Next, I'm moving the tire back a bit to get to that bottom section the applicator couldn't reach. Just going to add a little more product to make sure I hit every nook and cranny. And by the way, the product smells pretty good, which is always a plus. Let's talk numbers. This bottle is 16.9 ounces and cost me $27.99 on Amazon. After applying, I re-weighed it. It's now 1.098 pounds. So I use 0.022 pounds of product, which breaks down to about 61 cents per tire, or $2.45 to do all four. Definitely on the pricier side. It's been a little over 40 minutes and the product is fully dry. From a distance, the tire looks glossy and rich. Close up, it's got a smooth, wet-looking finish with no blotches or streaks. Let's peel back the control area to check the difference. And yeah, as expected, there's a huge improvement. I just got back from a short drive around the neighborhood, hit around 50 miles per hour on the main road. Unfortunately, and I kind of saw this coming, there's some streaking. Too much product gathered in the lettering and grooves, and once the wheels spun, centrifugal force pushed it outward. There's also a little light sling, but honestly, it's not too bad. That tells me I didn't go too crazy with the application. I'm going to smooth everything out now with the applicator pad, just brushing over the surface lightly. Since I'm not driving anywhere else today, these tires will have a solid 12 hours to fully cure. I'll keep an eye on how the product holds up over the next several days and report back in part 2 of this review. If you liked the video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if there's a tire shine you want me to test, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.